explain, summarize, and revise. What's electronegativity? What's a Pauling scale? What's the most electronegative atom? What's the least electronegative atom? We can compare electronegativity. We can explain the factors that affect electronegativity. So what's electronegativity? The power of an atom to attract electron to itself. Attraction is from the positive nucleus to the electrons. Power of atom to attract electrons. Power of atom to attract electrons. The Pauling scale gives a numeric value of electronegativity for each atom. Well, this atom has a 3.98, 3.44, 0.98. You don't need to memorize them. You need to know what is the effect of this one. So if you try to compare the electronegativity, you will know which one has bigger electronegativity and which one has a smaller one. The most electronegative atom is the one that has 3.98, which is fluorine, and the least electronegative atom is cesium and francium. They have 0.79. You need to know this. We'll talk about this later in the trend. The electronegativity compared to different atoms, like I have big difference between two atoms in electronegativity. Sodium have 0.9, chlorine has 3.0. It will attract the electron to itself too much. Definition again is the power to attract electron to itself. So chlorine attracts the electrons too much to itself that it will change into an ionic bond. So this one has taken the electrons forever to itself, and this one will lose the electron. While in covalent bond, there are two types. If there is average difference or there is no difference. The hydrogen and fluorine, there is an average difference. This is 4.0 and this is 2.1, kind of big difference. So this is a covalent compound, and a covalent bond formed where there is bigger attraction of the electrons from the fluorine more than the hydrogen. Or there is no difference here because they are both the same atom, so they have the same electronegativity value. If we go to the periodic table and look, we will see that the value is almost 2.2, and this causes them to have the similar electronegativity, 2.1 or 2.2. So there will be no charge and no polarity, as we'll explain later. Now we are able to explain the reason why one of the elements has high electronegativity and why has low electronegativity. It depends on these factors: the nuclear charge, atomic radius, shielding. Nuclear charge, atomic radius, shielding. Close your eyes and say them: atomic charge, atomic radius, nuclear charge, and shielding. Nuclear charge is the protons number. The protons are inside the nucleus. The protons has a positive charge. If you have more protons due to more nuclear charge, you will have more attraction to the electron, so more electronegativity. The electronegativity is the attraction or the pull to the electrons, so more nuclear charge means more electronegativity. This is plus. If it increases more protons, the attraction is more. The atomic radius, if the atomic radius gets bigger, the number of shells and the distance between the electrons from the distance between the electrons and the proton become more. So since the distance becomes more, the distance becomes more, so there is less attraction to the electron. So this makes the electronegativity less. The factor number 3 is the shielding. When you have more layers, you will have more inner electrons. This is the valency electron in the outermost shell, and this is the inner electrons in between the nucleus and the valency. So more layers means more shielding, more masking. So the proton cannot attract the electrons anymore. Here there is one layer only, so there is less shielding. If you increase the number of shells, the number of electrons increase, the shielding increases, the attraction to the electron becomes less, so the electronegativity becomes less. Nuclear charge, increasing nuclear charge causes to increase electronegativity. Increasing the radius, atomic radius, causes decrease in electronegativity. Increasing the shielding cause decreasing in the electronegativity. So 3 factors and their effect: nuclear charge, atomic radius, shielding. Let's go back and see everything that we have learned. What's electronegativity? The ability to pull, the power to pull, the power to pull, the power to pull. The Pauling scale, the number of values, don't need to know them, but need to know how you can compare two elements. The most electronegative is the fluorine, the cesium is the least electronegative. Compare the electronegativity of different atoms, which one has bigger. If the difference is very big, it might be ionic bond. You will not need to know the difference in numbers and memorize the numbers in the exam. He will give you if he wants to ask you. No difference. And the last thing is the reason why one element is more electronegative. 3 factors. Nuclear charge increases the electronegativity. Atomic radius decreases. As the atomic radius increases, the electronegativity decreases. The shielding by inner shells and subshells.